Good afternoon, everyone, the honorable judges and all audience. We are from Surya Buana Middle School, Malang, Indonesia. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Fatima Zara Fahmi, and my friends.
My name is Iftiharimaya Zahro.
And my name is Ania Camelia.
This time we would like to present our invention. The title is peanut shell and waste oil based briquettes. The background of our invention is peanut is a kind of nuts that many people like. It is a crop grown mainly for its edible seeds. So far, people only consume the nuts, whereas the shells are usually thrown away. Peanut shells still contain oil that can be processed into briquettes. This shell briquette, when mixed with used machine oil or used cooking oil added with a little paraffin, can be formed into wax. Even though this candle is black, it is quite helpful for lighting when the electricity is off. And the aim of our invention is number 1, to use peanut shells as briquettes. Number 2, to make candles from peanut shell briquettes and waste oil or used cooking oil. The benefits: number 1, using waste peanuts, used machine oil, and used cooking oil for candles. Number 2, can be an alternative to substitute candle for lighting when the electricity is off.
And the method of our invention is step 1, prepare the tools and the materials. Also separate the nut shell from the nut. Step 2, burn the peanut shell until they change into carbon. The picture is the peanut shell after being burned. The step 3, grind the carbon until they change into powder. Step 4, sieve the powder until get fine powder. Step 5, then make powder with use machine oil or cooking oil. Then add with little paraffin wax. Step 6, form the dough in the candle form with a candle wick in the middle to light the candle. Step 7, test the peanut shell briquette candle by lighting it. And I'm gonna test the candle. This one.
We analyze our invention by using SWOT analyzers. The first is strength. Does not have an expiration date because it's not easily covered with mold. Second, the weakness. Less attractive because the color is black. Third, the opportunity. Has a good opportunity to be developed further because it only uses leftovers or garbage. And the last, the threat. Contact to eyes may cause irritation. And finally, to sum up, peanut shell waste, which is usually neglected, actually can be used as an alternative material and can still be developed further into useful things in the future. By making use of the peanut shells, we already reduce waste, which is good for our environment. And at the same time, we also reduce the danger of burning paraffin. And this is our bibliography.
That's all the presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.